blizzard of 2015. My car's around the corner. Still haven't plowed yet. I ain't going anywhere until they do. Park and ride's getting plowed. That's where we're at. Here comes your wise guy. Plate on that?